Hi, this is Patrick from Inaxsys Security. For the past few weeks, we've been talking about the new LegendNX products. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up the initial setup of the NVR or any NVRs from the LegendNX series from a laptop, not from the machine. In another video, I've covered how to do it from the machine. This time, it's going to be from the laptop. So let's start with the basics. The default IP address of the machine is 192.168.1.9. So in order to be able to communicate with the machine, you need to be in the same network. So I put my laptop to 192.168.1.254 with a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. With that, you'll be able to communicate with the machine. So let's see from here. So 192.168.1.9, enter. So machine's answering, which is good. All right, so this is the little machine right beside me here. The procedure is the same if you have an 8-port, an 8 channels, or a 64 channels. It doesn't matter, it's gonna work the same way. So when you get here, if it's the first time you connect to one of those machines, you're going to have a plugin to install. Install the plugin, it's going to be easier for you guys after. So here, username is admin. Default password, same as before, 123456. If I go login, boom, I logged into the machine. It's that simple. But the web version, there's no setup wizard. So the setup wizard is reserved for the machine itself. So let's go through the basics. So basically, we're going to start from here. If you go to Setup menu, it brings you directly to the basics. So if you go to Base, all right, English or French. So language, English or French, right? If you switch to French or any Spanish or whatever, it's going to ask the machine to reboot. So we're not going to do this for now. Host name. It's called localhost. Let's call it like before, LegendNX NVR. All right. Auto log on, that's how long before we auto log out. So I always leave it at 0. The startup wizard is actually, if you uncheck this, it's going to stop the machine from presenting it. So let's just do this. Smart display and smart tracking, we're going to see it in another video. Preview strategy, same thing. Real time is pretty good. Save. Time and date. So the time zone. We have here system time. You can sync with the PC, which is pretty good. Date format. Separator. I always put 24 hours because I like it better. Daylight savings time. Right, they're already set up and already selected. The NTP. Try to activate the NTP. If your machine sees internet, activate the NTP here. In the next version of the firmware, the NTP is going to be auto-selected on the NVRs. So you won't have to do it, but if it's not, please activate it. It keeps your machine on time all the time. So it synchronizes every 17 minutes. So it's always on time. So it makes things easier to search in case of you want to synchronize with any other event that happened, so you have the exact time in the machine. So that's good. So hit save, that's all done. Security manage, so that's where you would change the password for the admin. So we'd go here, see edit here, modify password. So you put the old password 123456, change it with something more secure. In my case, I put Inaxsys 256 exclamation point. This, save. Now the password has been changed, so we get kicked out. So let's put here admin. Let's try the old password 123456. It's not gonna work, obviously. So all right, we're back in. So we're done with the basic setting. For more questions, please contact your sales department. Go to our website, Inaxsys.com. Inaxsys is the manufacturer of those LegendNX products, and all those products are NDAA compliant. Thank you.